Signified LLC is back with more insights on LinkedIn. You're here because your LinkedIn is a ghost town, right? You're putting stuff out there, spending your precious time, and what do you get back? Nada, zip, zilch, crickets. It's frustrating, I get it. You see other people crushing it, getting DMs, landing deals, building their brand, and you're wondering, where did I go off track? Well, guess what? It's probably not some super complex secret algorithm thing you're missing. It's usually one of a few fundamental mistakes. Posting on LinkedIn but hearing crickets? You might be making one of the 3 most common mistakes that hurt LinkedIn engagement and networking opportunities. Let's fix that. The good news? These are fixable. Like today, right now. We're not here to give you some generic advice. We're here to give you the inside scoop about why your LinkedIn engagement is lagging, and more importantly, how to turn that ship around. We're talking practical, actionable stuff you can implement immediately. So if you're ready to stop complaining and start actually connecting, actually building, actually making an impact on LinkedIn, then you better listen up. Because what I'm about to share could be the difference between your profile collecting digital dust and it becoming a lead-generating, network-exploding machine. Let's go. All right, mistake number 1. Don't sound like a walking and talking resume. Seriously. We look at some of your profiles, some of your posts, and it's like we're reading a job description from 1998. Results-oriented professional with X years of experience in Y, skilled in Z. We'll let you in on a little secret. People on LinkedIn are still people. They want to connect with other humans, not with a list of your corporate achievements and buzzwords. You got to understand, the platform is social, even if it's professional. It's about connection, it's about relatability, your credentials, your experience. Yeah, they matter, but they're not the hook. They're not what makes someone stop scrolling and actually give a people a reason to care about what you have to say. People engage with stories, they engage with vulnerability, with insights, with personality. Are you showing any of that? Or are you just a polished corporate drone spitting out jargon? You need to flip the script. Think about it. What challenges have you faced? What did you actually to overcome them? What was the real tangible result, not just for the company, but maybe for you, for your team, for a client? That's the gold. Use storytelling formulas. It's not rocket science. Think challenge, action, result. Simple, powerful. Or before, after impact. I used to struggle with X, then I did Y, and now Z is happening. See? Relatable. Human. It shows growth. It shows learning. Stop just listing your skills. Demonstrate them through a narrative. Talk about a time you failed and what you learned. People respect that honesty way more than some perfect, airbrushed version of your career. It makes you approachable. It makes you real. Okay, mistake number 2. And this one is just pure laziness, or maybe a fundamental misunderstanding of how social media actually works. You're not engaging with others. You're treating LinkedIn like a billboard. You post your stuff, you shout into the void, and then you peace out, wondering why nobody's talking back. Let me break this down for you, real simple. It's called media for a reason. You can't expect to get engagement if you're not giving any. It's a two-way street, a conversation, not a monologue. The LinkedIn algorithm, especially where we're at in 2025, is smart. It knows if you're just a drive-by poster. It favors active participation. And I'm not just talking about liking a few posts here and there. I'm talking about meaningful comments, thoughtful reposts with your own insights added, and strategically tagging relevant people when it makes sense. You got to be part of the community, not just someone trying to broadcast to it. Think of it like a networking event. If you just stand in the corner handing out business cards and never talk to anyone, how many meaningful connections are you going to make? 0. You need to be proactive. You need to be intentional. I tell people this all the time. Spend 15 minutes a day, only 15 minutes, actively engaging on LinkedIn. Find 5 posts in your niche from people you admire, from potential clients, from industry leaders, and leave a real comment. Not great post, that's garbage. Add value, ask a question, share a related experience, disagree respectfully, and explain why. Show that you actually read the post and have something to contribute. This isn't just about being nice, it's strategic. Every thoughtful comment you leave is a mini advertisement for your expertise and your personality. It puts you on the radar of the original poster and everyone else who reads that post. It builds visibility way faster than just posting alone, especially if your own posts aren't getting much traction yet. You're essentially leveraging other people's audiences to get your voice heard. It's smart, and it works. Think about the psychology here. Chapter 3. Your hookshot needs to improve. All right, the third mistake, and this one is absolutely critical in the attention economy we're living in. Your content has no hook. The first 1 or 2 lines of your LinkedIn post are everything. If you don't grab someone's attention immediately, they're gone. You could have the most brilliant, life-changing insights in paragraph 3, but nobody's ever going to see it if your opening is weak, boring, or self-serving. This isn't 2010 anymore. Attention spans are shorter than ever. In 2025, hooks are the currency of content. You need to give people a reason to stop their mindless scrolling and actually invest a few seconds in what you have to say. Think about your own behavior. What makes stop and read something? It's usually something that piques your curiosity, challenges your assumptions, promises a solution to a pain point, or hits an emotional nerve. Your LinkedIn posts need to do the same thing right from the jump. So how do you write a killer hook? There are a few proven tactics. Ask a compelling question. Are you making this critical mistake in your sales calls? What if I told you the biggest myth about remote work is actually true? Questions immediately engage the reader's brain. Use a surprising statistic. 87% of professionals admit they're disengaged at work. Here's why. Stats add credibility and can create a sense of urgency or intrigue. Make a bold, even slightly controversial statement. Cold calling is dead. And here's what killed it. Bold statements make people want to see if you can back it up. Let me give you a few more examples because this is so important. Instead of sharing some thoughts on leadership today, try, here's the leadership mistake that cost me a promotion and what I learned. All right, you've heard it. 3 massive mistakes that are probably kneecapping your LinkedIn efforts right now. Sounding like a corporate robot, being a silent lurker, and having opening lines that put people to sleep. These aren't small things, they're fundamental. But the beauty is, they're all within your control to change, starting this very second. There's no magic bullet, no secret hack that's going to suddenly make you a LinkedIn superstar overnight. It's about consistent effort and smart strategy. LinkedIn isn't broken, you just need a smarter approach. Fix your messaging, give before you ask, and start every post with a reason to care. Stop making excuses, stop blaming the algorithm. The platform works if you work it the right way. Be human, tell stories, engage genuinely. Write a hook that actually makes someone want to read your stuff. This isn't just about getting likes. It's about building real relationships, establishing your authority, and creating opportunities. Whether you're looking for clients, a new job, or just want to build a powerful personal brand, LinkedIn is the place to do it, but only if you stop making these basic errors. Fix these mistakes you've seen or made, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our Signified LLC YouTube channel for more LinkedIn growth strategies. This is your chance to level up. Take these insights, apply them, and watch what happens. And hey, If Signified Services can help you navigate this and really amplify your message, connect with us on our LinkedIn channel.